Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another cheap RC unboxing at Target, and this New Bright, which is synonymous with cheap, LMP1 Cadillac we're seeing there, and it was $65. And my memories of New Bright products is you throw a whole bunch of batteries in it, it runs for 6 minutes, and that was it. However, they were $20 and under, and well, that doesn't even work. However, at $65, I thought that's a bit much, right? And so we walked on, and a week later, get a sales ad update from Target, and this thing is $35. So I said, for $35, I think I can give it a shot and see if the $65 price tag is warranted originally. It has got its own built-in charger. Not a lot of information on the box itself about what it's capable of. I don't think it's going to do very much, being it's just a toy grade RC. I just have a hard time getting over that price point. So we're going to open this thing up and take a closer look, give it a little run, and yeah, see what it's all about. I am a IMSA racing fan, LMP1 Cadillac. This is a very nice car, so yeah, the curb appeal, if you will, is pretty appealing. I do like the way it looks, but let's see how this thing actually performs. All right, so here's everything unboxed. Comes with the batteries for controller, owner's manual, and right off the bat, it's not even progressive steering or throttle. It's just on or off 100%. So that's a bummer. Kind of a fun little feature is this car in real life is a hybrid. And the sound it makes, even though the sound quality is not very good, you can actually hear it go from electric to combustion engine. Here, let's get it to Alright, so fun little sound effect there. So it's, about what you would expect. It's nothing, has no suspension at all. It's just the battery is built in, so that's nice, I guess. It is four-wheel drive. Don't know anything about the electronics it uses. I actually haven't paid any mind to New Bright products in a couple decades now, since I was a kid. So when I put this thing on a charger, will indicate how long it takes to charge. Take it out for a run, kind of see what kind of runtime we get out of it, and I'll throw for fun, I'll just throw a GPS on it and see what kind of speed out of the box it gets. Yeah, this controller is very disappointing, but anybody who's probably more familiar with this product's probably, it's been the same forever. So the body looks cool though, and maybe something in the future we can throw something crazy in it, maybe a VXL or a Castle Creations set up in it or something. But let's get it charged up and take it outside. Alright, got the battery charged up. Took about 45 minutes, even though I went to the manual and it said it'd take up to 2 hours. So a bit of a long time. We'll see what kind of runtime we get out of it. But go ahead and turn it on here. That's the control. All or nothing steering. I think you can mute that. There we go. Alright, let's see what she's got. not much. Yeah, that's pretty slow. Let's find out how slow exactly. Let's turn this on. Peak. And alright. Zeroed out. 0. Alright. I'm thinking maybe 5. The outside today. Nothing. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, see what kind of speed we get out of this. GPS on there. Zeroed out. I don't think we'll get much more than 5 out of it. We'll see. Yeah, that's pretty slow. an hour. That's a little better than I thought, actually. But we'll run a little bit, some kind of run time to get out of it. All right, so there it is, the $65 new bright Cadillac, and nothing about how it performed surprised me. It's exactly what I expected. So I'm not really, whatever, confused or upset or whatever word you want to use about it. But $65 to me is a bit steep for what's probably going to be some 7-8-year-olds first RC that they're probably going to move on real quick from if they get into the RC hobby, and that's just a big chunk of money to pretty much just buy and for probably not get a lot of use. That's just my opinion. I know $65 in the world of RCs is really cheap, but for toy grade, I think that's kind of expensive to me. I've actually driven $30 RC cars, granted they were smaller scale, that were much more fun, and this thing bounced with no suspension. It was like a Hot Wheel car on asphalt, just pogoing everywhere. So I don't know. Like I said, we got it. It was on sale. It was $35, and even still, I'm not 100% sure that's even a good price for it, to be honest with you. But I want to let my 5-year-old play with it for a little bit. Once it gets pushed to the side, maybe throw some hobby grade electronics into it just for something stupid to do, and see if we can have some fun with it. But I don't know, guys, you tell me what you think. $65, good, not so good, waste of money no matter what the price. Let me know, and catch you in the next one, guys. See you later.